right, welcome everyone. Eugene, Hughes Motorized. There's a problem a lot of people have. They build up their first kit and they pull in on the clutch, the rear wheel drags, it's stuck, okay? Your clutch will not disengage. Trick is the clutch plates, the pads on there are stuck to the back plate. That's all the deal is. They manufacture these over in China, they sit on the boat, they sit in a warehouse. By the time you get it, they've been sitting there for a good while. Some of the adhesive that holds the fibers of your clutch pads together are now stuck to the plate. It's a real easy fix. All you got to do is pull in on the clutch, okay? And you're going to roll the bike and you're going to notice your rear wheel's not turning over at all. All you're going to do here, now this one here works, but all you're going to do is just move it even with the rear wheel dragging, okay? Get going, pop your butt down, and you're going to break the clutch loose. That's all that's required. It's a pretty easy fix. If that doesn't do it, check my link for how to diagnose and troubleshoot the two-stroke clutch. I hope you liked the video. Give me a thumbs up, click subscribe. Thanks for watching.